Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Trishina Richards. On my channel, I do home decoration and lifestyle content. If you're interested to see more content like these, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I decorate my breakfast nook area. This makeover is budget friendly. So right here, I'm just showing you guys an overview of before of how the breakfast nook area is looking. Right here, as you can see, we're currently spray painting this table from brown to black. I got this table off Facebook Marketplace, you guys, for only $30. So I got it for a good deal. I saw that I could just spray paint it black and it will look brand new. So currently we're just spray painting. I got one can of paint and honestly that wasn't enough, but luckily I had some another can in the garage, so I was able to use that. Right here it looked white on camera, but I promise you guys it's black. I guess it's just the reflection from the sun. So I'm just laying it there for it to dry. So while the table is outside drying, we decided to put the curtains up. And as you can see, I'm just showing you guys a preview of that. So right here, I'm just fixing the curtain, make sure everything is in place. And then I'm going to lay the rug. I got this rug from Ross, only for $29.99. This is a 5x7 rug, so I just need a small rug because the space is not that big and I don't want to overcrowd the kitchen area. So I'm just laying the rug here, and then we're going to go ahead and lay the table on top of the rug. I let the table dry for approximately 2 hours. It's still a bit, I would say, we just have to allow more time for it to dry. But, we were able to touch it and there wasn't any paint coming off. So I decided to prolong with the video. But just look at the difference, you guys. It looks so amazing. And I just love the fact that it's black and it will just give the breakfast nook a very luxury feel. So right here, I'm just placing these wall art here on the wall. I got these wall art from Burlington. I used them previously at my old place in the living room area. This bowl, it was white and I spray painted it black as well. So right here, I'm just adding this greenery right here and also these green balls that I got from Hobby Lobby. It was 3 of them, but for some reason I can't find the other one, so I just had to work with that. This plant, I got it from Amazon. I'll definitely leave the link in the description box below. Right here, I'm just laying down these chairs that I got from Amazon as well. I'll leave the link in the description box. They're like a cream ivory color with gold legs. I found them so cute and it was at a reasonable price. So I'll definitely leave the link of these chairs in the description box as well. So this is the final look, you guys. I'm so in love with it. Everything came out so perfectly. It's just simple, but at the same time it's giving you a luxury look. I just love how the ivory chair, it just incorporates so well with the black table and then the greenery there, and then also the ivory curtains. I just find it so cute. Please let me know how you guys like this video. Everything that I use in this video, it is very budget friendly, you guys. As I said, I got the table from Facebook Marketplace. I got the wall art from Burlington. The curtains are from IKEA. The chairs from Amazon, and also the plant is also from Amazon as well. So your space can definitely look amazing, look expensive, look luxurious on a budget. You just have to also incorporate, DIYs, spray paint certain things, because just adding a little paint will, add value to your home or your space. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video will give an inspiration to decorate your space. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.